We're in an AMD trade. We have 2 contracts we get ready to get out. Let's trying to break the low here. Looking price action very shaky. Gonna sell 1 contract. Here we go. AMD is dropping. We're in the short position. We're ready to take profit here if it breaks the open range break. Selling pressure coming in. We're gonna sell. Price action is not great at all, so let's see if it breaks this 163 low. Selling pressure is coming in. We might just get out of this trade because we don't like the way it's looking. Oh, looks like they about to, oh, they broke through. Okay, it's time to take profit. Ready to take profit on this trade right here. New low of the day, 162. Sold all 3 contracts. We got 1 left. Little cheap one. Little cheap $8 one. But we're gonna get out for sure. And this last little cheap one. Okay. As you see, AMD broke the opening range break. I could have held them, but I didn't want to take that chance. The way the price actions are behaving, it's a little bit oversold. As you see right here, RSI is trending low. We're gonna sell this last cheap contract. That's it. Sold the put. So we could have held longer and made a little bit more money, but it seemed like they wasn't paying on the puts. We netted a profit of $223 on their put, on 3 puts, 3 cheap ones. As you see, AMD is still going down, but the reason I didn't hold was because the RSI, you know, and the price action. The price action was showing me sooner or later it's gonna spike up. The herky-jerky price action. We got out at the new low of the day. As I stated before, look at the RSI. It's at 25, and look, now it's starting to spike up. Always remember, when the RSI is low and it's been down for the past 2 or 3 days, they're gonna try to do a bear trap. Spike it down fast, make you think it's gonna keep going, and then spike it up. Look at the wick at the bottom. Buyer stepped in right here. The new low of the day, 162.41. It's still more sellers than buyers, but look at the overall spiking up after the RSI was buried. So we made decent profit today. AMD's been very bearish with the market. As you see, most of the stocks are red. We used the point of control right up here in this area where it went almost there, and that's when we bought the puts at. But we bought a cheap put just to confirm it, and when it went down, we bought more. Also, the opening range break hasn't been set yet, so it still might end up going down a little bit more. You see look at the moving averages all stacked in, sloping down negative fashion. Tells you right there. But overall, it's been a decent week. I'm going to conclude this video. It's only 9:44 a.m. We made this in like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank you for watching.